everyone, how are you doing? I am very well, thank you, and I hope you are all are doing well and stay healthy in these quarantine times. If you want to go out, don't forget to wear your face mask and do social distancing. Okay? Salam SFD. Today I'm going to tell you about present perfect continuous. Yes, that's another grammar structure in English. This tense can be used to tell about the event or action in the past, which is started in the past and still continues in the present. I will tell you the complete review about that. Let's join my class. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about present perfect continuous tense. Before we learn about this topic, I will tell you about the learning objective of this lesson. Sebelum memulai pembelajaran ini, saya akan menyampaikan tujuan pembelajaran dari topik ini. Yang pertama, siswa dapat melaksanakan tugas dan tanggung jawab dengan mengenali struktur kalimat present perfect continuous tense dengan sepenuh hati. Yang kedua, siswa dapat melakukan tugasnya dengan ikhlas dalam membandingkan penggunaan present perfect continuous tense sesuai konteksnya. When do we use present perfect continuous tense? Kapan kita menggunakan present perfect continuous tense? It is used to speak about an action that started in the past and is still on in the present, or it has continued up to the present moment. The action is not completed. Jadi digunakan untuk menyampaikan tentang peristiwa atau kejadian yang dimulai di masa lampau dan masih berlangsung di masa sekarang, atau terus berlanjut sampai saat sekarang, sementara peristiwa itu belum selesai. The second, the present perfect continuous usually emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. Present perfect continuous tense itu biasanya menekankan pada durasi atau jumlah waktu di mana peristiwa itu sedang berlangsung atau telah berlangsung. The third is, it is typically used for shorter, more temporary situation. Yang ketiga, ini biasanya digunakan untuk situasi yang lebih pendek atau sifatnya sementara. And the fourth, it expresses recent action that have clear evidence or results now. Digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian-kejadian yang baru-baru yang mempunyai bukti atau hasil yang nyata atau jelas saat sekarang. Jadi menyatakan aktivitas yang telah sedang berlangsung selama beberapa waktu sampai sekarang namun belum selesai. Itu mengapa kita menggunakan present perfect continuous tense. Let's take a look. For example, this plant has been growing since April. Tanaman ini telah dan sedang bertumbuh semenjak bulan April. You can see that there is the past time since April. Now we are in September, so it has a duration about the time. Dari contoh ini bisa kita lihat bahwa ada masa lampau sejak bulan April dan sampai ke saat ini, since April. The second, Ade has been playing the piano for 1 hour. Ade sudah dan sedang bermain piano selama 1 jam. There is a duration there. Ada durasi waktu. And the third, we have been learning from home for 5 months. Kita atau kami sudah dan sedang belajar dari rumah selama 5 bulan. That's a duration. Ada durasi and the action happened on the past time and still continues until now. And the 4 is, she is so tired because she has been working all day. Dia sangat lelah karena dia telah bekerja sepanjang hari. So there is the clear evidence or the result that we can see now. Jadi ada hasil nyata atau bukti nyata yang bisa kita lihat hasilnya sekarang. And before learn about the example, we can see the pattern. Sebelum mempelajari contoh lainnya, kita bisa melihat pola kalimatnya. The positive pattern for present perfect continuous is subject, have or has, the auxiliary, and then been and verb ing. Look at the example. This plant has been growing since March 2020. From the pattern, you can see that we use has here. We use has here. Has is used for the subject this plant. Dari patternnya kita bisa lihat bahwa kita menggunakan auxiliary has. Has ini digunakan untuk subjek he, she, and it. This plant has been growing since March 2020. Tanaman ini sudah bertumbuh sejak bulan Maret 2020. Okay, let's see the negative pattern of this tense. Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing or verb ing. Subject diikuti have atau has, diikuti oleh not, diikuti oleh been, and diikuti oleh verb ing or verb ing. They haven't been talking for 3 months. Haven't is the construction or have not. Jadi kita menggunakan haven't itu singkatan dari have not. They haven't been talking for 3 months. Mereka belum berbicara sampai saat ini selama 3 bulan. We use have because the subject is they. Kita menggunakan auxiliary have karena subjeknya adalah they. Jadi have ini, auxiliary have ini digunakan untuk subjek I, we, you, and they. For interrogative form, the pattern is have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. For example, has she been playing the piano for 1 year? You can answer by saying yes she has or no she has not. The next example is 4 WH questions. What has she been doing for the last 15 minutes? She has been doing her homework. Apa yang telah dia lakukan selama 15 menit dari yang lalu? She has been doing her homework. Dia sedang mengerjakan pekerjaan rumahnya selama 15 menit yang lalu. Sampai sekarang masih berlangsung. Next, why have you not been taking your meal for the last 2 days? Because I've been so busy. Mengapa kamu tidak mengambil makananmu selama 2 hari ini? Jadi dari waktu yang lampau, 2 days ago until now, and it still continues. Masih berlangsung. Because I've been so busy, karena saya sangat sibuk. Where have you been traveling? I have been traveling in Bali. Sudah kemana saja kah kamu melakukan perjalanan? Dari masa yang lampau juga hingga saat sekarang, I've been traveling in Bali. Saya sedang dan sudah melakukan perjalanan di Bali. Practice makes you perfect. Latihan itu membuat kamu sempurna. Let's take a look. The first sentence, teachers has been doing virtual teaching for 3 months. Do you find the mistake here? What is your answer? Yes, it is wrong. It is not correct. So which one is the correct sentence? The auxiliary verb has is wrong. So you need to change it to have. So the correct sentence is teachers have been doing virtual teaching for 3 months. Look at the second example. They have been work for 2 hours. Do you find a mistake here? What is your answer? Yes. So the incorrect word is working. Yeah, work. You need to add the verb ing. So the correct sentence is they have been working for 2 hours. And then you need to do this assignment. You need to put the verbs into the correct form, present perfect continuous, and then I want you to send it to the Google Classroom and do this assignment well. Do this exercise well. Okay, I hope you will understand about this topic, and I say thank you for your attention. Till then.